In this video, we will learn about the concept of function carrying in JavaScript. This is the very important concept. We all have to learn about this concept. So now let's start it. But first I will open one folder. This is my folder, and already in previous video I have discussed about closure, and in this video I will discuss about function carrying. So first open one and create first let me create one file, function carrying, function carrying dot js. What is function carrying concept? It says that I we have a function, let's say f of x plus y, and let's first create one simple function and add, and it takes two parameter x y and z. It takes three parameter, let's say, and it return x plus y plus z. And if we call this function console log this and result, and add just pass any three parameters, like let's say 34, 5 and 45. The answer should be summation of these three, 34, 5 and 45. Let's run it this, and this is 84. The answer is correct. And this is something, this is the normal function. We can convert it into by applying concept of function carrying. So let's say how it can be done, and let's say one function is function add x y z, and it takes just one parameter x, and in after it returns a function. It return a function, let's say function add add y z, and it takes its return a function yz, and it takes also a one parameter, let's say y, and after it also return a function, let's say, and add of yz and z, and it takes one parameter z, and in this case here we will return x plus y z. So in this case, at first of the most outer function at xyz, it takes one parameter and return one function that takes two parameter. Return one function at yz and pass one parameter, and after this inner function, it also return a function at yz, and that will be returning us x plus y plus z. So first, the question in your mind should be came that in this scope, z is defined here, but x and y is not defined in the scope. So how this function will accept those? By the concept of closure that we have learned about in our previous video. So let's say at first call the function. So cum const, uh, this is the first step. So someone, and just call this function add xyz, add xyz and xyz, and pass it 30, 30, 34. So let's just see how is it written. CLG and so just see how what it will returning us. Let me comment the first part and run. So you see this is return a function yz that already it return a function yz, and this function also takes one argument. So let pass the one another argument, and it will, should be yz, and value should be 5, and some step 2, some step 2, and so let's see what is written. Run code again, and something is missing here due to some to add yz. Oh, it's not yz because this is written in this. We should place it here because this function is not, we cannot access properly. But after calling add xyz, it will returning us the function add xy, and we store it in the someone variable. So that's why we are. And after this, the last step should be just run it first and add yz, and it returning us at z. So in the third step, some final. We have three steps, some final, and here should be some two, and some final, and let's do one thing, and it will returning us 44. 44, how high of 44, and we returning us just 44, 34, 5 and 5. If we put 45 here, 45 because three parameter in this case, answer was 84 I think, 84 I think, and there should be, here answer should be some final variable value should be 84. Let's run it and look at this, it is 40 84, absolutely correct. And this is, this type of calling is hazard, this is something, creation is, you know you have understood already, but the calling this is type, I just elaborated just guys for your understanding purpose. But it is not really looking like that. We you don't have to call it like this. It's simple easy, just a control to return value, just function calls add xyz. Okay, pass the first parameter here, that was 34. Then okay, let's see, add xyz 34. What it will returning us, what it will return for us, it will return one function that takes another argument. So it return one function, so let's call the function in this type, and here also pass the one variable. Okay, after this two step, what it will return, we have already here. After two step calling, just to what it will return, it will also return a function. So it will also return a function, and that also takes an argument. So let's put here one other, and that is 45. So now if we run this, what will be the answer? Okay, let's we comment down this, and now run this code. Oh hooray, we have got our correct answer 84. And this is the full concept of function carry, just calling like this function, and we can convert it like this, multiple variable function to single variable multiple function. This is the concept of carrying. So if I the single function with multiple arguments into multiple multiple function with will argue. So guys, this is the concept is function carry. Function carry, and now guys, I hope you guys are really enjoys the video and absolutely understood all this concept I have been talking so far. And now, okay, thank you for watching.